Put simply, a right is a form of real estate ownership that allows many shareholders to own a small piece of a large portfolio of properties. Essentially, a group of investors can pool their money together, allowing the right to make large investments and purchase more properties. Each investor gets to own a portion of the right pie based on the amount they invested. Now, whether you've heard of a right before or not, a significant amount of real estate in the U.S. is actually owned by rights. Most American businesses prefer to rent their real estate rather than own it, which creates the opportunity for investors to become their landlord. Almost 1/5 of the commercial real estate in the U.S. is owned by rights, about $3 trillion out of $16 trillion. Similar to what mutual funds are to stocks, rights offer investors fractional shares in a portfolio of real estate properties so that every investor enjoys the benefits of real estate ownership without having to buy, manage or finance properties themselves. Investors can access right investments either through rights that are publicly traded or rights that are not publicly traded. Publicly traded REITs are listed on exchanges and can be bought and sold like regular stocks. Non-traded REITs, which were once limited to wealthy and institutional investors, are now available through crowdfunding platforms such as Elevate Money.